Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, the daily candle, it's finished, guys, here. The green one, by the way. And that one, his name, indecision candle, guys. As I tell you, guys, that one, his name, indecision candle. And that one, either from here, is going to reverse the market upward because a lot of times it can. Like you see it here, or another story is going to come next to it, a red candle here, and it's going to give us a continuation pattern here. That means that red one with another red one and that green one is going to be in the middle. That is going to indicate a continuation pattern. But the good news here in the daily, guys, what else we said here? We said we got here an inside bar. Until now, the market is still respecting it. It doesn't break it down and it doesn't break in upward. So till now also we still need to wait more, guys. Either a candle to come to close below that level, that means the Bitcoin is going to fall down more, or the market to come upward and the candle to close up, that means the market will go upwards, guys. Everything is too clear, but there is something here. It happened, guys. Look at it here. You saw it or not? That level, as we said before, that one, it's being broken here by that news candle. Everything is too clear, guys. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in for you 2 videos, guys. Every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. One after the European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the market doing exactly that day. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so when also we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram, the link of our Telegram in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. And you know YouTube and cryptocurrency world, they are always against it. So if you want to be notified more quicker, you can join us in Telegram. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's going to see the coming news for tomorrow, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here it is, guys, the coming news for tomorrow. As you see it, what we got here for tomorrow, guys. We got that one of UK. Then we got the ECB President Christine Lagarde speech. But the most important ones we got for tomorrow, guys, it's that two. That two, they are going to impact a big impact on the market, guys. That one and that one. At 12:30 here GMT time. What that two? The first one is non-farm payroll and the second one in employment rate of USA, guys. That is going to tell you what the Fed is going to do in the next month, guys. Because as I tell you before, the Fed, he want the unemployment rate to reach to 4 or 5%. Yes or no? That's what I told you. Here, the forecasting of them here, they said, is 3.6. That means the Fed is going in his way. Yes or no? And next week is going to come the CPI or inflation of USA. So you need to make a close eye at those things, guys. Everything is too clear? And another thing, guys, here what we got. Here, that table of us. That one us every day we follow it. What it's showing here, as you see it, guys. Everything is red today. Yes or no? US stocks, all of them, they are red. The US dollar or dollar index was near to 113, guys. Then it started falling, but it doesn't fall that much. It's only 0.08. Then our friend, that one, every day also we see it, guys. It's the VIX. What the VIX doing, guys? You remember in yesterday video, we are 25.86. Today we are 25.30, guys. Yes or no? It's getting lower and lower. Should you buy now? For the weekly, as I tell it to you, when the weekly candle finishes, yes, you need to buy. But the buy of you not to be in one go. You buy, as I told you, if you remember what me, I give you $50. I give you the example, if you are someone who got $100, buy $50 and you let $50 as a backup. If the Bitcoin fall down more, you buy more from them. Because we are here in the VIX, we are too close. As I show you here, we are 25.30 now. It's left 5 points, guys. Yes or no? So if the VIX fall down below 20, it's the right time. But now it's still a little bit of scarcity. But not like before. Before we used to be 30, guys. Yes or no? Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's going back to see our indicators. What the same for picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, if you remember what I told you in the last video here. What me I told you here? Here in that zone, let's zoom it a little bit like that. What me I told you here? I told you he came here and it's showing as if it's going outside here. And I told you that one is going to be the best scenario if that one showing here as a rejection. That's my from here it will going upward, guys, and breaking for us that last high here. Yes or no? Till now, it show here a rejection, but we need to wait in tomorrow candle, guys, what it's going to do. If it's going to close above that level here, is a very, very, very good signal, my friend. By the way, I know you are watching me. Did you smash the like button? Go ahead, my friend. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You know that channel without you and you it can growing up. So please, helping us, guys. Smashing the like button, tell that YouTube algorithm to boost that channel more. Please, it's not something hard, my friend. Just pause the video now, go now, down. There is one thumbs up, smash it, writing down a comment. It will not take you that much. It's something small from you, but it meant a lot to us. By the way, thank you to all those ones that supporting us. I'm very, very, very thankful, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. So as we said, guys, we need to wait in that one either to come to break for us that last high here, or from here it will going down again. So it's the moment of waiting now. There is nothing to do till now, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, the last video, what did I told you? I told you we got here like that, a cup and handle. Yes or no? And I told you if it's breaking here, that zone here, you enter short. Did it break? No, my friend. Look at it. It doesn't break. It came here and it respected tail now. Yes or no? And what did I told you else? I told you got here a channel like that. If it came and breaking higher here, we will enter long. Did it break? No. Look at it. It doesn't break higher and it doesn't break lower. So also we are not going to enter, guys. Till now we are not going to enter. And as you see here, was spiking down here. Forget about that one. Let me zoom it a little bit. Here, was spiking, guys. Here in that place, which is spike now here. Look with me. That one is the candle of news. Forget about it. That one here, that all one. Forget about it. Also, we're talking about here. Was spike there. Till now, they still the greens, guys. You see it or no? The greens, they still got power here in that level. Why the greens they are there got power? I'm going to tell you why. When it happened that green candle, that one, look at it. Is it that one? Yes or no? And where it happened, guys? Where that candle happened? In a very stronger supply and demand zone here. Because here you got a very stronger supply and demand zone. Yes or no? It happened, that candle here. That man, people, they don't want the Bitcoin to fall down below that level here. They want to push it higher, guys. But that's a good news, but the bad news, there is no big volume. Because some people, they just put in pending orders in those levels. They wait in the market to come to touch it. That's why you saw here that big volume. But not a lot of investors, they want to enter till now. But believe me, for tomorrow there is coming a big pushing up, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? Now let's go to see our indicators, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here, our indicator, guys, if you remember what else we saying here about the double bottom. Yes or no? And what did I told you? I told you it need to break higher here. Did it break? No, my friend. And where we are here? We are below here. Where is the bears they controlling? Yes or no? But what it's showing here, those bears, they are not powerful, guys. They don't got the power to push it lower more. Every time they try to go back up, but the buyers, they don't got that power. That's when the bears, they are very weak, and the bulls, they don't want to enter yet. They want a confirmation to come for them to enter. So also what we will do, if that one came and breaking here, that level, here, that one, we are going to enter long again, guys. So if you are not subscriber, my friend, and if you want the right time when is it breaking here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification and join us in Telegram. Put that one in your brain. Join us in Telegram, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than YouTube. Because in Telegram, when we put in the video, you're going to be notified in your phone or whatever device you're using. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friends. So as I told you, it's need when it's breaking here, we will enter long. Or from here, it fall down till here, till the oversold area. That's when we are going to enter long again. Everything is too clear, guys? Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, if you remember, we be in here at the overbought area. We be in here in a very stronger level here. Price action to enter short it hasn't complete yet, guys. Is it that cup and handle here? If a candle came and breaking for us here, we will enter short, guys. Remember my word. If a candle came and breaking down here in that level here, we will enter short. And if a candle came and breaking that down channel as we have here, break it upward here, we will enter long again, because it might from here from that level to go back up to the overbought area. Those ones, they are just oscillators, guys. They don't work in all the time, guys, and anyone he bases his trading about oscillators, don't follow him. Remember that. Anyone he base his trading about oscillators, guys, don't follow him, because all those oscillators, they just lagging or repenting themselves. Let me give you a small example here. Look here, where it entered the oversold area. You saw it or no? It entered about 21k, guys. Where it go out? Look, till here, till 18k, guys. There's a lot of losses from here till here. Same thing here. Those ones, they are just oscillators. Also, we using them to know is it the right time, but also basing our trading because of price action, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? Did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Go ahead and do it, please. Smashing the like button, my friend. You stay with us till that much of the video, so go ahead and smashing the like button, helping us. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go in now to 30 minutes, guys, to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, what did I told you last video? I told you got here at W. Yes or no? I told you if it came and breaking for you the last high here, you enter long. Did it break? No, my friend, look at it. It doesn't break here. And here now what he trying to give us. Look at it. He tried to give you here a head and shoulder, guys. It's the same level. You need to focus about it. If it came and breaking here, you enter long, my friend. Remember my word. If it came and break in here, you enter long, my friend. Everything is too clear? And that channel of us, we said in the 4 hours. Look at it here in 30 minutes. How is it? Is it very, very, very clear here in 30 minutes, guys? It came and close in here, enter long, guys. Why? It's our indicator. What it's saying, guys? Our indicator is showing to us here a divergence, guys. Look at it here. It said from that peak here and the one here. What you seeing? It's delta and them. Over here, it's showing is going up. Over here, it's showing is going down, guys. Yes or no? That's a divergence. That's what I told you here. If it's breaking up, enter long, guys. Everything is too clear? So, see you after the European market close. Bye for now, guys.